Hi, how are you? Welcome to all of you, Manage Lego. There's a good news for you that on our web portal www.managelego.com, we are updating far ahead right now. Whatever the drafts which are present, it is helpful for students, even for advocates who are practicing, and even clients or those who are need of these drafts or agreement. They will go through our website. There's a business drafts we have updated. Even we have updated this draft related to sales. Even that company drafts are there, and daily drafts will adoption is there, and it is upgrading or updating day by day. More number of drafts I am adding, we are adding actually. So take advantage of that, because our purpose is there that this domain, that legal domain, should be that transformed in such a manner that it can cope up with other segments or sectors. So today let's talk about our topic, and that is power of attorney. So from the power of attorney is that where two persons are there. First one is the principal. Principal is a person who is giving or transfer his duties or responsibilities to whom? To an agent. Or agent, what we call it as a agent, we call it as a attorney also. So here power of attorney authorizes any second person as a principal to any other person to either their legal rights, financial rights, or it is related to medicinal or medical matters. Okay, so all these things are there. So this is actually a power of attorney. By taking a few example, you may understand. First of all, a transaction which is related to real estate. A person is selling their property but is unable to attend the closing in person. Okay, why he is not able to? For example, he is busy somewhere, he is not able to attend. So they grant a limited power of attorney to their trusted friends, to whom they, to any friend or to a family member, to sign the necessary documents on their behalf. So this is related to real. Or second example, financial management. So, someone is elderly individual who is unable to manage their financial affairs due to declining health. So what he can do, he appoints any other the adult child as their agent through that durable power of attorney. Durable is mean for a specific period of time it is there, and this allows the child to handle banking transaction, investment, or other financial matters he may handle. Third one is business operations. It may be related to business operation. A business owner is going to abroad, extend the period may extend. Now what is there? What he can do? He appoint a trusted colleague or any employee as an agent, so he can manage day to day business, and or a manager, he can form the agreement with manager or some of the employee, so he can do operations, signing contracts, or make decision about that in their absence. Healthcare decisions. Healthcare, if someone is having a health problem, so in such case or scenario, any of his that close relative may handle or take medicinal decisions related to whether operations should take place or not, whether condition is severe, or how that medicine should be provided, which specialists need to take or to take advice regarding a disease. One is asset management. A person with significant asset appoint a financial advisor as their agent through a limited power of attorney to manage their investment portfolio or make financial decisions on their behalf. So these are few examples of power of attorney. Now, mainly power of attorney are two types, but two, three increases, but most important is general or special power of attorney. Okay, so first one is general power of attorney. General power of attorney is not restricting a person where the duties of attorney or this agent may increases widely. For example, in the first case where real estate one is there, where person is not present, he give any person authority to take maintenance of that real estate property house, to pay the bill, cleaning of the house. Even whenever it is required, by his permission he may sell that sold this or transfer this property to any other person with his permission. So that is power of attorney is wide in nature, it is not lit. And then second one is special, or we can call it as specific power of attorney also. Special or specific power of attorney is what? It is related to what? it is related to that there should be only, it is related to that particular domain only. For example, that drafting a board resolution, if a company wants to appoint any legal counselor, there's a different domain. If a company related to motor vehicle, then counselor or specialist related to motor vehicle act or lawyer counselor should be appointed. So that is specialist. If we talk about if any criminal cases occur, then the criminal specialist should be present. Third one, if corporate or business related, tax related related issues are there, then they appoint the tax related personnel. So these are, this is a specialized, a special power of attorney. Now, durable power of attorney is what? It remains effective if principal becomes incapacitated or unable to make decisions. In the above case, when elder person he is not able to do his work, where durable power of attorney is assigned, then it is for a specific period of time. So, what are the general things which we need to consider, or these are also a clauses are present? First of all, we need to identify what are the parties. Well, identification of parties. Who are the parties? If someone brings a problem in front of you, he said that I want to open a shop, but what happened? I am not present within India for a period of 6 months, so I require any personnel to manage or maintain on my behalf. So here, who is the grantor? Principal. Principal, we also call it by name grantor. So grantor is here what? Who is moving or traveling abroad, and power of that attorney is who, to whom this responsibility assigned or who take care of the property. Second one is the grant of authority. These are the clauses. First one is identification of party. Second is the grant of authority. So grant of authority is means what are the rights and duties, obligations which you are assigned to the particular attorney or agent. Then duration of power. How long is this particular power of attorney remains? And revocation clause. Now for revocation clause, there are two types of revocation. First one is revocable, second one is revocable. Revocable means under some few circumstances, that this power of attorney agreement may get this that revoked. First one is the death of the principal occurs, death of, maybe death of if death of agent is occurs, then sub delegation takes place within agreement to any third party. If the principal revoke by himself this particular power of attorney. Third one is there, that the purpose of for which this power of attorney has made is solved. So these 3 4 points are there. What is irrevocable power of attorney? Irrevocable power of attorney is that, for example, if you have taken a loan from somewhere, so then as a but what happened, if you are not going to pay that, then still that the bank form a power of attorney with you, that you are if you are not going to pay that amount, then instead that you remain as a, you remain that you're that this power of attorney agreement shouldn't be irrevocable. Because irrevocable is when the interest of agent is also present. In this